Light Scale is a rapid lightener with up to 9 levels of lift. With low ammonia content and a pleasant fragrance, Light Scale's hydrating and conditioning powder is enriched with Amminosugar Care Complex, preserving the hair's keratin structure. Easy to blend and apply, faster acting than the majority of bleaches. Combine Light Scale with Lisaplex, our 2-step restorative system, which allows for bond-building protection for both the interior and exterior of the hair structure. Here, we are going to create a radiant balayage. For this look, we are mixing 1 part lightener to 1.5 parts developer 30 volume. Add Light Scale and developer to bowl. Use scale for precise accuracy. Then add Lisaplex Bond Saver to the lightener to preserve the integrity of the hair and restructure damaged keratin. Section off hair. Have foils ready and start applying the lightener. Process for 30 to 45 minutes, or until desired level of lift has been achieved. Make sure to monitor frequently. Rinse out lightener. Then use Top Care Repair post-color shampoo and conditioner. Now on to toning. For a natural look, try a blended balayage technique. First, root smudge with a natural root shadow. Then for the mid-shafts to end, use a blonde toner. For this client, we let the toner process for 15 minutes. Rinse and use Top Care Repair post-color shampoo and conditioner again. Now on to finishing. Spray Ultimate Straightening on wet hair to restructure the hair and protect it from heat. Apply several pumps of Elixir Care Shining Oil to enhance the color and shine. Now it's time to style. Light Scale lifted and lightened, while the Lisaplex system worked to shield and protect, resulting in healthy, strong, and radiant hair.